So I learned that this mold doesn't really do anything and it's completely harmless. And it actually like can give nutrients to the plant. And then this one hasn't sprouted, and this one, I don't even know what's going on with this one. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Lizzie. I just realized I never did an introduction for this video, so I'm gonna be taking you guys through Memorial Day weekend. We'll see what we get into. Brian and I just went disc golfing. I've been feeling so I think I'm gonna head to the gym here soon, but I need to make some lunch, so let's go make some lunch. Gonna make a veggie burger. Yum. Not gonna lie guys, I've been pretty lazy. After disc golfing, I had some lunch and I made Brian a grilled cheese, not filmed, but it looked amazing. It was the perfect grilled cheese. And we watched like 2 episodes of Game of Thrones and he just left for work. Told myself I was gonna work out. I'm wearing workout clothes. I don't know. Okay guys, I got up from the couch. This is a big step for me. This is a big move. We're making moves here. I'm gonna make my pre-workout, which is only 2 ingredients, so even I can't mess this up. I use this when I'm very tired or unmotivated, like you see. And then this little shaker bottle. I actually have a smaller one of these. Where is that? I don't know where it is. We're gonna use the big one. Where are the balls? And normally I have the little ball to go in here, but I don't know where it is. I just had a thought. I'm not gonna do it, but you know how some people take this dry? That just sounds completely awful to me. A half scoop. Oh my gosh, I just thought of a time, you guys, where this wasn't on and I just shook it and it just went everywhere. That's actually happened more than once. I have been having the worst workouts lately. It's like I forgot how to go to the gym and what to do. I mean, that's kind of what happened. I should remember some things. I used to go to the gym every day. Just like, what was I doing? No one was in the gym too. And sometimes that's nice. Like, it was nice. And I was lucky for that. But when you don't know what to do and nobody's really like there, even if it's not your friend, like sometimes when other people are working out, it helps me work out. Now I don't know what to do. My stomach kind of hurts. Okay, gonna water my plants because they are thirsty. There we go. Oh, okay, this one's like, it looks really messed up at the bottom, but then the top, there's a lot going on. So there's that. And these ones, I water them like all my plants once a week. And I know they have different watering schedules. I mean, they're still doing fine. I do want to show you guys the growth on my pothos plant. Times like this, you don't know what to do. You just did a bunch of stuff. And you like to ask yourself, is it too early to drink? Well, I like to answer myself with no. So I'm gonna drink this, take a shower, and see what happens next. And I guess you're gonna see too. You're gonna find out. It's a spider, guys. Oh no. It's really small, but it is kind of scary. It has, you can't really tell. Okay, literally I don't even have the camera on it. It has a threatening presence about it. It's looking at me right now. So I decided to let the spider coexist in my house with me. I just moved to another area where I can't see it. Let me show you guys something. I saw it on TikTok and I thought it was a great idea. Okay, so this is what I bought. It's just like for dishes, but then I put Dawn dish soap and vinegar, and I just washed the walls and the ground. Ew, that looks gross. I just washed it. It looks so much worse on camera. I swear to God, it does not look like that IRL. Hello. This is quite the look. So I'm actually curling my hair really for no reason. Just kind of want it to be done for tomorrow. Coming out, sir. What's up, guys? It is Monday, Memorial Day. Happy Memorial Day. I don't know where this video went, really. So yesterday, let me backtrack. So the first day I filmed was on Saturday, and I filmed like a lot. And then once dinner time rolled around, I drank a little bit too much wine, was a little hungover the next day, and had some stuff to do. On Sunday, I essentially like got a new job, so that's exciting. So I'm gonna have like 2 jobs now.
Oh, is it too full? Name of coffee.
It's all a waste of time. Can't see the end and I know she be here waiting. I'll be here waiting. I'll be here waiting and waiting, and she got me. Hold up. Dopamine got me feeling like I gotta run. Need another hit or 2 before I'm having fun.
Back from the gym. It was really busy in there, so I just like kind of stayed on the treadmill most of the time and did like incline at a high pace, like a fast walk, and I did some sprints. So I'm not a runner, so I do like 30 seconds on running and then 15-second breaks in like increments.
Quit this shit before it fucks me on. Need a night out, feeling high now, waiting on you. I feel it coming out. Need a night out, feeling high now. She got me
I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's. I'm gonna wear this wrinkly shirt. Let's go. But I remembered them. You guys, so I didn't film a lot while I was in there because I just don't like filming when there's a lot of people around, but I got some of my favorite things. I'm trying some new things. I'll show you everything. I just said thing a lot. Yeah, the Boulder Trader Joe's though, if you know, you know, the view's immaculate. Let me turn you around and show you. Views from Boulder. Okay guys, so I went to Trader Joe's, have some groceries here, and I was gonna show you what I picked up from them because I don't go very often. It's kind of like a special treat, but I tried a couple new things in this haul, so let's get into it. I'll show you what I got. I didn't get too much stuff. So I got these blueberry muffins. They looked really good, and I love blueberry muffins. So those will be good for like breakfast. Non-exciting item, I just got some cheese because I realized we were out of cheese this morning. So cheddar cheese. And then, you already know, we come for the Mandarin orange chicken, but we stay for the chicken shawarma. If you haven't tried this and you like chicken, it's really, really good. I don't even need to tell you that the orange chicken is good because you already know probably. If you've had it, it's just far superior. But this is really good too, and I bought their tzatziki sauce, which I haven't tried yet, and I have some pitas, so I think that would be a nice little dinner idea. And then I got some dipping sauce. So I'm their tzatziki sauce. And then I also really wanted to try the sour cream and spinach dip. I feel like there's a lot of hype around this product and I've never tried it. So thought I would give that a shot with some crackers or like some Stacy's chips or something. I got this Mediterranean salad kit, which hopefully I don't forget to eat. Sometimes I buy these salads and forget to eat them. Maybe I'll eat it right now. You know what? We'll try that. We'll taste test that. And I don't know if this will be good. I haven't tried this, but I got the chicken chow mein. It looks good in the bag, so, well, on the bag. So hopefully this is yummy and it might make for a good dinner. And then I wanted to try their beef and broccoli. Because I know Brian likes beef and broccoli and I feel like I could like beef and broccoli, so thought that would be good. Okay, so I got this Bolognese pasta sauce. We don't use pasta sauce a lot, but it just looked good. I just kind of like grabbed this. I just wanted to try it. Not the healthiest thing, but a really yummy thing are these hash browns. These are so good. You can like put them in the toaster and just toast it twice. I found that gets them to a good level, or you can put them on a pan and they're just really yummy. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away and then I'm gonna try this salad because I don't wanna forget about it and I think I wanna eat something healthy because I went to the gym. Eat like a lot of this. Oops. Try this salad. That's good. As far as salads go, this is really good. Wow. I want to keep eating it. I don't even want to talk about it. And that's how you know it's good. The Mediterranean salad with the red wine vinaigrette, sun-dried tomatoes, really, really good. Good job, Trader Joe's. You've done it again. I'm not surprised, but I'm pleased. Thank you for your service. Happy Memorial Day.
This is my daughter, Tanya.
We just traveled from trailer park to trailer park.
All right, guys, I killed that salad. Well, not the whole thing. There's still some left, but I might eat some more later. See? But I am gonna try one of these muffins. They just look too damn good. I gotta try one of these. Doesn't it look beautiful? Ooh, I love the little wrapping. Like they really go the extra mile to make it look cute. Yep, I was definitely expecting it to be good. Right, gonna try the famous spinach dip. Let's see.
Bougie crackers.
Might as well eat them. Kind of tastes like artichoke dip a little bit. Maybe there's artichokes in this. Has a strong sour cream flavor, so if that's not your thing at Brian, then you won't like it. So I think I'm going to end off the video here. It was kind of all over the place, so sorry about that, but you probably didn't notice because these amazing editing skills. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end it off here. Hope you guys have a great day, night, whatever. We're gonna make some dinner and then probably just chill, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Also make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We just hit 520 today, so that's exciting. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, it really helps my channel. And now I will see you in the next video. Bye.